Hey, morning gang. Happy Thursday. Give me 1 sec, insanely enough. We do have Marco and Cowboy, though. 1 sec.
Good morning, guys. Trading Cowboy in the house with my buddy Mark. Good to see you, Mark.
Well, it looks like the market's taking off right over that 25,000.
Yeah, really got a little push right there, huh?
Right off the top of yesterday's 15-minute order.
What a crazy morning. I think the only person not running late today looked like it was Mark, huh?
Man, we're down here in Florida and our battery and our alternator in the car quit on us last night. We were just lucky to make it home.
Oh, no.
Or blessed to make it home, really.
That's right. Amen to that. Wow, look at that push, guys. 80 points, 90 points now. Sheesh. Who would have thought that little bull flag right there would have played out that nice?
I was thinking it, but I didn't act on it.
It's always, it's probably the worst idea to jump in on that candle, though, isn't it? I mean, we've done it the last couple mornings, but it's probably the worst idea ever.
Yeah, but who doesn't do that? You either start really nicely green or good and red.
Right.
Good God, gang. What a friggin' day. What a start to this channel. What a start
You
to
missed
this.
100 points already. Welcome to the show, Greg.
Son of a bitch. No, did you really? Come on. Did you really?
Oh, no, none of us, we all missed it, but you weren't here to see it.
Oh. Okay. So, sorry, gang. We had our Airbnb guest come over here and knocked on the door here. Just completely discombobulated us. But today is a very special day because we have our guest subscriber, Marco! Yay! Which his name isn't really Marco, it's Mark, and then his last name starts with an O, but we lovingly call him Marco.
I got a friend named Dave, and his last name is Overholser. You've been calling him Dave-O since I've known him.
Yeah, bud. Exactly, man. So welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for joining us today. Obviously, you've been in the chat for a while. You're a phenomenal trader. You're always, keeping me a little bit more, man, the correct wording. But whenever I see that high right at the tippity top, and I'm like, man, I'm about to enter. And then all of a sudden, I'll see Marco go, careful, man. We might be right at the top. And then every single time, I'm like, oh, shit. Yeah, you're right. So Marco sounds very low. All right, let's fix that.
Can you turn me up?
I think I
Do
can.
something over here?
Ugh. Unfortunately, it's something I probably gotta do.
Yeah, I think Greg controls all of us right
Video
here.
Ninja. So now how do I add another video ninjas? Marco, gas, prop, trade of
I took a little short off that right there at that little pretend VWAP right there. I think that's probably also the 50 EMA on a 5-minute. Just nice little slow scalp, taking a couple of them off as it goes down. So
nice.
Oh, there's my wife.
Hey, morning, wife. We appreciate you. Thanks
for letting Mark play with us today.
Yeah, thank you for letting Mark play with us for a couple hours here. Appreciate you.
We're not going anywhere.
Darn it, man, because I can hear you.
Guys. Now I'm not sure, but
shoot. And it's just gonna give me. You guys gotta give me a sec too to figure this out. But I'll let you guys do your thing for a sec. I'll figure it out when we get back to you.
Let's see what this 1,000 tick chart is doing.
Yeah.
We got a nice little bull flag there. See if we can get another one here.
yeah, I mean it's pushing real nice. I just took it off some of those EMAs, thinking, okay, we got 3 EMAs right there. We got the VWAP, we got the 50, we got the 21. Surely one of those would grab, but it worked for a little bit.
Yeah. Isn't added in his own source. Okay. so click the source for third streamer. Let's see, guest streamer number 2. Properties. Control audio via OBS. Hi,
Now,
Mark.
Mark, I need you and Greg to take the smart, trading trades, because I'm just doing this for the chat. So
Because you're doing the
just
crazy.
for the stream.
All right, Mark, talk a little bit.
All right, so looks like, I mean, we got the overnight, we got the gap, fill at 25,128 here. We're right at 25,100, so it should want to push up there. I didn't take it on this trade of 8, but I got a top step eval that I'm long on.
Perfect.
And hopefully it breaks through this 25,110.
And guys, how does this sound now? Can you guys hear Mark? Does he sound okay?
I guess I have to look in the
Good
chat.
morning. Now Marco's volume's too high. All right, let's put it down to here. All right, test. Mark, give us a little test.
All right, test. Let's see if we can bounce off this 25,100 and go to that gap fill.
Yeah, that 2590 is definitely a nice little support area right there.
Okay, gang.
These first few minutes are always a lot of fun.
Yeah, man. All right, 9:36. My God, too. And I feel bad, Mark. Sorry, I didn't realize that we had to take the mother-in-law to the airport today, so it just discombobulated our timing. Literally, I got back in the door at I don't know, it was 9:19. I rushed over here, and I'm like, oh, shit, he's already on, and I had to jump in quick.
Well, I had to make sure that this camera and everything worked out for me.
Yeah. No, it's working perfect, though, man. All right, so now I'm trying to get my brain to trading because you guys keep saying all the right things. I'm not even listening. So 24,987 is where we opened. We ripped up 100 points. We see that now. We're 7 minutes in. Let's lock in. All right, so you guys are still thinking longs? Are you still in the long, Mark?
Yeah, I'm still in. I'm maybe should have gotten out, but I think we're going to hit this 25, at least get to the 120s.
Yeah, get back up to the 120s.
Yeah, I mean, we got all these bottom wicks at the moment. So we shall see.
Yeah, I mean, it's crazy if we don't go up and test that 118 wick through the 120 a little bit, but
yeah, and then we got a bunch of highs up there too. So,
shoot, man, and we got Cowboy fading it a little bit.
Well, Cowboy was fading a long time ago. So.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so yeah, let's double check now all screens. So Nvidia still has a gap up. It seems like it's going towards its gap up. It looks like Q's just filled. Did it fill it? Q's filled its gap. ES is back up to the
oh man, come on.
top here.
I mean, it's building a nice little flag again right here. There's your push. I think it
all right.
really still got a little more juice than that.
Here.
Nice.
And you guys keep going.
Nicely done.
Keep going. Don't turn around now.
Don't you do it. So you're on a different than your trade of 8 that you have on the screen right now.
Yeah, my bad.
No worries.
I don't like this wick. We might just be bailing.
Ooh.
Oh man, $13.
That's a big old wick. So yeah, when you do sizing, Mark, what do you usually do? Do you do MNQ, NQ, and then what is usual contract size?
Okay, so on my trading view, I look at NQ.
Yep.
Because I get all my data off of that. But then I'll just size. I really like to not. I'd say I'm more conservative.
Mm-hmm.
Like, with prop firms, it's nice, but then, you got your $2,000 drawdown on a $50,000 account.
Right.
But at the same time, if you risk $200 and you lose 3 times, well, now you're down 600.
Yeah.
Right? So I like to really just kind of calculate, anywhere from 2 to 6 micros.
Yeah.
and that's about all.
Yeah, so it keeps you. Yeah, I agree, man. That's what I've kind of found is my sweet spot as well, because it keeps me out of trouble a little bit.
I want to stay in the game. That's
Yeah,
the whole thing. Because if you can make $10, you can make 100. If you can
right.
make 100, you can make 1,000. If you
Yep.
can make 1,000, you can make 10,000.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
So
Yep.
that's kind of how I look at it.
Yep. And by the way, look at Cowboy just chilling here. Just beautiful trade now. Held it, held it, held it, held it, and now he's up pretty darn good on it, man. Nice little tap down here, the VWAP
Not bad.
there.
We took most of them off. We got one runner left.
Dang, man. And I just caught a snippet of your later stream where you had like 50 points on a mini. Like 54 points or some shit, man. And that's literally what we were just talking about too. Is what Mark is just talking about too. If you can make $10, you can make it $100. And we kind of talked about, man, you're holding these 100-point trades with micros. What if you did it with a mini? And there you go, and you friggin' did it, man. That was a huge.
I mean, Zero Dawn definitely called me out on that several times, and it's still hard to do because if you're risking 200, like Mark was saying, why wouldn't I want to take 400 profit?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
A nice. Most of mine, I kind of think 1-to-1, kind of is what my risk, is, but yeah, it's hard just to sit there and hold that, especially when you get up 50 points. On my funded yesterday, at the same time I had my funded and I had 2 contracts on it.
Jesus,
and it made like $1,980.
Yeah.
I was sweating the whole time. I couldn't even talk in the chat.
All right, here we go. I think I'm getting ready to go along here.
All right.
We're kind of had that double bottom right there. What Mark's seeing, he's seeing kind of this big
too much wick here.
candle.
We're getting too much wick.
A little too much wick.
I'll wait. We'll see. We'll see if I can get a set. Maybe we'll get another.
No, we do have the
confirmation on this
for the long.
All right, I think it's time to
shoot, man. Well, it is up 20-30 points now since you said it, insanely enough. But that was kind of a crazy wick. Now we do have the 200 EMA down here at the 25,000s 52s giving us a little bit of support.
And this is why I like to wait for the 1 minute bar to close a lot of times, because if you get one wick, well, you could get another wick.
Yep.
But we'll see.
Yeah, and I kind of think the same setup we always talk about, right? If that previous candle would have closed up here in the 92, 94 area and had a less of a wick, then we would have really wanted to chase that half candle and try to enter with our stop below the 60 area. But
yeah, but with how this is closing with these 2 wicks, if I could get a swing high here off of this last candle, it might be time to go down for the, take a short and try to get to the bottom of the 930, the low of the 930 candle.
Well, I will say VIX is looking kind of right to pop at the moment, and VIX does have a gap to the upside. ES is starting to look a little heavy. Qs is starting to look a little heavy.
And then too, it's like where are these wicks coming in at the 25-100s at a nice round number.
Yep.
And it's looking prime here.
His Cowboy goes into the long.
For that
200 bounce.
Feeding each other all day. Oh, but that's a long way. 40 points, and we got another wick bouncing off of the VWAP, I think, or something.
Yeah.
Oh no, I got some line on this chart. Oh yeah. What is that? Maybe the 21 EMA it's bouncing off of.
What is our 5 minute looking like right now? Wow, our 5 minutes looking a little ugly too.
That's kind of the perfect short candle right there too, right? We had the little doji, kind of little indecisive, but had the half wick up right to the 9. The 9 rejected.
I want to see it break the 200 though. Really, if we can break the 200, I'll be a little bit
more
more
bullish right here, just because we had all those EMAs again.
Yeah. Well, plus
and we kind of had a lot of those, wicks to the upside.
We got a new 5 and 15-minute candle about to start here.
I like that. Oh, and how about news? Is there any news besides the
No news.
8:30?
I mean, dang, I
Yeah.
should have gone short.
Oh shoot, there's the break. Let's see, what is VIX doing though? Is VIX popping or is VIX holding? VIX is kind of holding.
Well, I mean, still, I mean, this is kind of what I like to see. My reasoning in trading is I like to see us make a new high or a new low,
Mm-hmm.
and then consolidate, retrace, and then go long, right?
Wow.
Like, well, this is kind of my reasoning in my system, but we haven't made a new green candle.
Right. I do like that wick off the 45 though. Came down here the 25,037s. VIX is going for that stinking gap fill though. It's so close, man. No, man, I hate this because I've learned to not fade Mr. Cowboy. And right now though, I'm like, man, exactly, and that's exactly why. Look at that. Like for me, just because of that VIX gap fill, that's the only reason really that I want to go in short right now. But because Cowboy's not short, I don't want to be short at the moment either.
And then I've noticed a lot of times, on the 5-minute candles or 15-minute start of the candles, like the 1 minute might try to fake people out.
Yeah.
This 9:45 1 minute candle might be looking to trap some shorts.
Yep.
And now it's going higher. So I think we'll hop in here on a long if this 46 candle closes well.
Nice. We got 8 seconds left. So basically we wanted to kind of come back down, retap that 200, give us support. Ooh, there he is.
So we'll see. We'll see
All
what
right.
we get.
I'll join that with you boys.
Order filled.
So looking for about 30 points to get the 1-to-1. But if it goes, it wants to go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
There we
man.
go. Come on. Gonna take one off there just because I'm a
All right,
puss.
there we go. That's it.
There we go, babies.
Stop filled.
Hey, we did it. We all won? We all
Yeah.
won?
Yeah.
Woo!
3 minds are better than one.
Look at that. I'm up 171 on the day. Sheesh.
Yeah, I got 252. I started a new Lucid eval for today.
Yeah, buddy. Cooking in the
I should have
chat.
taken that on every
Cooking in
account.
the
That was
chat.
such a great trade.
Yeah, man. Great
We're
freaking
over here
trade.
yakking, helping what? We probably got what, like 8 viewers?
Yeah. We got our 8 views. We got our 8 subs. Sheesh. Oh, I know it.
Well,
man.
hey, we'll turn that into a short.
Yeah, I know, really.
Heck yeah.
For some reason, I was trying to move my take profit up,
Yeah.
and I just could not get it to
Oh, man. Yeah,
line
yeah,
up
yeah.
on the screen that I got it on.
Dude, sometimes that trips me up too, and I get so frustrated. It's usually with me trying to drag a stop up really quick, and it's like, nope, rejected. I'm like, motherfucker, quick, rejected.
Well, I put it on my laptop screen so that I'm like looking at it when I'm in the trade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So very little wick now on this 25,100 push, but everything's looking gorgeous. I mean, ES, Qs, everybody's bull flagging pretty good. Nvidia
Yeah, that
again
was
still has a gap fill. It's only about another buck for it to close it.
And look at this. I mean, we're probably going to go close this gap. And then when we make a new high on the day, that's going to cement that I'm bullish,
Yep.
because as soon as we make new highs, then it tells me like the objective of the market or market makers, whoever, is to keep on running out the high of the day.
Interesting. Yeah.
And I just have to believe that, because you won't believe how many times I've taken profit early when we got a nice swing high.
Yeah.
Just sitting there waiting to get taken out.
But now, is the opposite true? If it starts selling off right away, do you just try to keep shorting? Because it seems like lately there's been so many like V-shaped recoveries, you know?
So I my whole thing is be consistent with one strategy.
Yep.
And I think everybody that when you're trying to be consistent and be successful and actually make money doing that is you got to really focus in on one strategy and executing that.
Yep.
Now, again, this looks like a good reversal, maybe, but as Patrick would say, what are you waiting for? A lower high.
Right.
So, but other people, they might have gotten in right at that 30, 130 or 120 and shorted it, and that would have been a good trade. It's just,
Right. Just different ways to look at the market. Yep.
yeah.
I like it. So it looks like VIX does have room to fall, man. It seemed like she wanted to hit that gap fill, but then just changed the mind, like 50 cents away. Nvidia's
And
still
we
getting a
got
little
the high of day and high of the previous day and
Yep.
the Asian session high all sitting up there.
Oh yeah, and London is up there at 207.
Yeah, so what I normally do is I call the London high the high of day.
Yeah.
And I like to mark out if we got I don't like to call the Asian session between 18, like 6 p.m. and midnight. I like to I don't call that high of day.
Yeah.
That's just my preference.
Which we were talking about that yesterday. Do you know for sure is 11 o'clock London close? Is that technically London's close?
I think
it
London
is.
close is actually 11:30.
Oh, is it really? Interesting. But
So
then-
so those last 10 minutes, 11:20 to 11:30, get wild.
okay. It almost seems like there's the 1050 pop as well. It seems like there's always a little 1050 run.
Yeah.
Interesting. All right, we'll cycle the counts back to the 25K. Let's see what we can do on this one. Man, no wicks on the top of this 144s. We just
Yeah.
did it twice. That feels a little bullish, doesn't it? Or is that a rejection?
Well, let's look at that. I mean, it might have just, we'll see. We'll see if it closes below the gap.
Nice. Man, so Cowboy and I were hustling last night too. We actually did kind of put a nice framework together for the Discord so far.
Nice.
Yeah, it's looking
And he's
pretty...
being super nice when he said we were hustling. So I was just texting him back. Good job. That's perfect. That's awesome. I love it.
Yeah, you got good
Yeah, that's-
insights too.
That's what they say, like if you like have to go to like a kindergarten play or like a church play, they're like, look, the louder you clap, the more the kids are going to give you.
Yeah, man.
The more encouragement you can give them,
Yeah, for
the
sure.
more
Yeah,
juice you're going to get.
I love it, man. I love it. Yeah, so I'll have to have you pop in and take a look around and see what you think. What is your background, in fact? Do you have like an IT background or anything like that, or?
No, so I am a musician and a chemical engineer.
No way,
by-
dude. Yeah,
So I started out in college as a cello major
yeah.
and do cello and guitar, but then I switched to chemical engineering because
Yep.
those are the people that made the most. And then I was a real great process engineer, but I was in the paper industry and they'll pay me as much as I want, but you would work 16
yeah.
hours a day.
Oh, yeah.
And that's just not the life. And I was fortunate enough to be put in a situation with some family situations where I was able to quit my job and we sold some houses that really at the top of the market and stuff and was able to devote myself to doing this full time.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
bud.
So I've been doing that for 3 years and just do whatever else.
Dude, that's literally, that's my journey, basically, man. That's it. That's so fun, man. That's so fun. And actually, insanely enough, coincidentally enough, that's what I got accepted to college for was chemical engineering.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And then I
Well-
switched from chemical engineering to pharmacy within the first year. Then I switched to industrial engineering. Then I switched to friggin' petroleum geology, and then I graduated with an economics major.
Wow.
So kind of went through everything, which insanely enough, the thing that caused me to quit chemical engineering and the thing that caused me to quit pharmacy was I hated how much math was in organic chem. Like organic chem just friggin' killed me with all the math. And then coincidentally enough, I ended up being an economics major, which is pretty dumb. So kind of
Yeah, I
interesting.
mean, I just needed the degree to use my common sense that I was born with.
Yeah.
Being a being a kid who's, like just with a strong Eastern European background, like I just needed a piece of paper that said, "Hey, you can use this."
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
That's sick, dude. All right, so Q's is starting to look a little weak. ES is hitting a little resistance. VIX is maybe hitting a little support, and then Nvidia, just looking a little weak, but might just be going to its halfway point.
Yeah, I mean, we got a lot of room up.
Yeah, and that's what I was gonna say. We did just break our 15-minute range though, and we do almost have a full 5-minute candle closure above it, which is always a good thing.
We'll see.
So what do we want then? We want to retest of maybe like the 88s to go long?
Uh, I mean, off of this, off of that 953 candle, you get a nice wick, but it might get taken out and then go higher.
Mm-hmm.
This is some consolidation, so it could pop.
Give a little pop skis. Nvidia wants to fill that gap.
But yeah, if we can break through the 50s, the 150s, it's looking promising.
Yeah, then probably smooth sailing up to at least the 210s there.
And that'd be awesome.
Yeah, man, you're right. I mean, she just has a lot of good strength right now. That alone was 15 points there.
Yeah, my other eval off the screen, I'm long.
Oh, son of a bitch. All right.
I'm trying to hold till about the 180s.
Yeah.
Nah, I'll move it. I mean, we'll see how this candle closes. This is a nice green. You know what this is? This is one of these nice boner candles.
Yeah, nice greeny. The only thing I always hate, though, I hate now that I'm starting to pay attention to it, I hate a candle that doesn't have a wick on it. I mean, this one got a teeny tiny little nubby, you know? She's got a little nubby on it.
So those have made me nervous in the past, but I feel the reward outweighs the risk. I don't even care anymore.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I mean, look at that. Look at that right there. Your 180 is about to hit beautifully.
Yeah. Yep, there we go.
There it is. Nicely done.
So, and the reasoning for anybody that was getting long there is we took out we wicked right at the top of the 15-minute range.
Yeah.
And then we had a nice big green candle after that, and then it just took off. And we've got liquidity up above that the market wants to get to.
Yeah.
Simple.
It's simple, guys. Yeah, I mean, it makes a lot of sense. And 100% of our move now would be 195, which is pretty darn close. Charles is calling out the 244s. He's saying he's turning his computer off till he hits it. So did you take it at 180s then, or are you going to still...
That old go for the walk.
Right?
Go for the walk move.
Exactly, man. I know, which I tried that a couple different times with this haircut that I have today. You know, so again, I got to leave it at 11 o'clock. We still got another hour, though. But there's been a couple times that I've left my trade on the screen while getting the haircut, but it's never worked out. Every time. I always come back and I'm like, son of a bitch.
So when I first started trading, I was trading Forex, and I was trading real money.
Yeah.
And I quit one of my we just got married, quit one of my chemical engineering jobs, and was working with my wife selling advertising for magazines.
Yeah.
and I put like $10,000 in a forex account, and I was just knew nothing, and I would just like put on like a trade, and if it was down, I wouldn't close it. I just
Yeah.
let it go,
Yeah.
and I'd open it up. I'd be like, I'm up $500. Close that thing like I knew what I was doing,
Right.
and I just kept doing it for a while, and it was working, but it just that's not how you do it.
No, dude. It's just and it doesn't give you any confidence in any of the trades at that point either, you know. Ooh, so Cowboy punching her short here, which actually I don't hate, man, because again, we don't have a wick there at 185.
We're not real serious about it yet. I wanted to hit like that 210 area and see what kind of rejection we get.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a
We
lot
should
of
just have at
resistance
least
up
a
here.
20-30 point pullback, I was hoping. So I just didn't want to get left behind like we do sometimes, which probably isn't the right thing to do. But
The art of the DCA.
Well, Greg,
I
don't
mean,
long.
it's either gonna
I'm not
do a
going
little
long,
wick up
buddy.
here
I'm
like-
not going long.
Order filled.
All right, we took one off. Good job, Cowboy. Good job, sir. Not a bad first trade. Well, not first trade, man. I'm just...
Stop filled.
There we go. And we're out. Up 31 bucks on this account now. You. Man, we gave it that little downwick now. She's got the downwick we were looking for. Danger, Will Robinson. On the 1 hour, man, my resistance line on the 1 hour is all the way up at 321, insanely enough.
Yeah, and I was waiting for that thing to close because that's where we got all our resistance. Pre-market, even yesterday, our wicks through the 210.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this 1 hour opened, pushed straight up to that 210, made us a nice wick at the top, and then kind of came down. So,
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah,
this could be
it's-
just creating a little bull flag right here. I mean,
But otherwise,
but
we
we
do
already
have a...
took a couple off. We already made some money, so
Hell yeah.
risking like 5 points at the top just if it comes back to the high. So
75. So Nvidia's only 30 cents away now from filling its gap, but it's looking pretty wicky if I'm being honest. It's not really looking strong.
well, that was the other thing with Nvidia. It was right there at the 21 on the 5 minute, and we had a pivot point at 182.60. We wicked through it twice and pulled straight back after it hit. Also almost hit the 50 EMA. So that's kind of what I was just playing into that little short right there. So
I like it.
I mean, this right here is a perfect setup for me to try to go long, right? So
Right. What you got? Let's look at this. Let's see what we got here. If we can go down to 180 and get a bottom wick there,
Yeah.
I'd be looking long. I mean, I need a confirmation, but we still got Asia high of previous day. I mean, that's a lot of, it's all clustered there. It's a
Right.
lot of resistance.
yeah, I mean, even on a 1 hour, I mean, our closest wicks on a 1 hour is the 160s, which would kind of line up if we can break the 9. We might could touch the 21, but right in the middle of the 9 and 21 is 160. So
Yeah, and this 9 o'clock candle is such a big green candle. I mean, we might get some pullback if we're gonna try and challenge the 200s and the 300s today.
yeah,
Because if we break through there, we got 400 in target. But I've been
Yeah.
saying that for a week now.
But today's the day, you know.
You just trading so crazy because you never know what's going to happen. You can analyze it to death.
I mean, we
For
did
sure,
get
yeah.
that strong wick up here to the 250s, which was like the halfway point of that breakaway 1 hour candle. So I don't know, man. Yeah, we could get, or maybe tomorrow, you know, maybe we'll get a Friday, squeeze the shit out of the shorts day and blast
Well,
us up
and
to
we got,
4.
I think we have NFP tomorrow.
Oh, do we?
Yeah, I mean NFP's been coming on crazy days. I mean, it used to be every first Friday, but when they shut down the government, they changed that. And
Huh. Yeah, I'm not seeing it, but you're right. Maybe it's one of those add-in ones.
oh,
I'm just
oh
seeing
no, they
like,
got it tomorrow. U.S. non-farms payroll 8:30.
what the fuck?
All right, I'm out right there at the 160s, guys.
Nice,
Nice,
man.
nice.
Oh yeah, U.S. employment rate, U.S. employment rate, U.S. hourly wages, hourly wages. Blah, 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 blah.
I bet you a lot of people are going to be trying to pass those new end-of-day drawdown Apex accounts.
Yeah. Just shovel the coal into that fire.
Yeah, I'm not there yet. I haven't tried it.
Man, I was mad that they I had one of my Apex accounts auto renew yesterday. That
Oh, and they just got rid of auto renew.
Did they really, those sons of bitches? Dude, I was positive I
Yeah.
didn't have one too, like, cause I've usually been pretty on top of that, you know. So I went back through and I'm like, which one is it? Which one? You know, supposedly from February 4th, which I doubt it. Just trying to get
Well,
my
so
money.
yeah, now they just make them. They expire after 30 days.
Oh, that's better,
So you
man.
either pass.
That's what it should be, you know, because it's a hassle to go in and cancel all the damn things.
Well, and I'm sure that's how Apex makes all their money.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
people buying hundreds of counts.
Oh yeah.
Just-
Well, I mean, look at that. I could have gotten 5 for the price of 1, you know.
Yep. Yeah, we just.
Vic's
Every
just-
day we should have a moment of silence for all the evals that get blown.
Right.
Just-
Well, that's in our Discord. In our Discord, we have a cemetery section. So that's where we're gonna put all
I think
the
we
blown
should, I think we
emails.
should just play taps the whole time. If you click on it, I think it should just
Oh.
be playing taps.
That's
No, you know what you need to
super
do?
funny.
Oh.
Is remember Oregon Trail?
Yeah.
How you got to
Oh,
like
yeah.
write like the tombstones?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, just like name your eval and then just be like died from
Yeah. Scurvy.
just a little epithet
Yeah.
right there.
He's suffering from scurvy.
That'll
Man,
be
I think I
probably
might.
that'll be our biggest folder right there. Is that one?
You're like, I wanted 4R.
I almost
Yeah.
want to go short again, guys.
I
Look
was
at
at
that.
2,000, and then I
Hold on, Greg. Hold on, Greg.
Because
Yeah,
there's no
wait,
wick on it, right? There's no wick
Greg,
candles.
Greg-
There's no wick.
Okay, but we
Well,
went and tested
poison.
those 60 just like we talked about, right? On the
Oh.
1 hour. We held it. We kind of have a bottom there. I mean, so now we're getting that wick. We had a full body, right? So
Yeah.
Greg was right, guys, okay? But we had that full body. If that would have closed up there at the top,
Yeah.
oh man,
we
I
would have
might short
rocketed
this.
over the highs.
Yeah. True. It could
Nah,
have been
I'm
a
not
rocket
gonna
ship
short it.
instead.
Hey, Zero Dawn, what's happening, buddy? Good to see
Hey,
you this
Zero
morning.
Dawn. Shoot, man. Yeah, because then Vix had just gapped up, too. Vix had a little gap up, so I was like, ooh, what's going on there?
It
So
says Zero
again-
Dawn just popped in too. We just closed that trade. On Tradeify, guys, we ran those evals up the other day to 53,000. Well, you only have to make 2,500 on them, guys. So we made about 500 too much the other day. So we really risked what we shouldn't have had to risk.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
we got this one this morning. We made 412.90. I'm playing some micros, got it to 52,513. So we passed
Way
another
to
trade.
go.
Hell
Way to go.
yeah.
And way to overachieve.
Woo!
I mean, isn't that crazy? Though, man, I'm glad I didn't blow one, you know, because the last 3 we traded together, it was at 2,700,
Yeah.
and I wrote it up yesterday for $300 to get it passed, which it was
Dang.
already passed if I'd have just logged in and looked.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Dang, man.
Yeah, I've seen that on the Tradeifys. The 50K are 2,500.
God.
Shoo. Man, we need to have like a rolling counter. We honestly do. Like, how many evals passed this week? You know, fucking 37.
Yeah. Everybody can just log in and click on one, and
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I mean, I've tried to pass evals. Fastest I've ever passed one was in like 5 days,
Oh wow.
but I normally just take my time with them.
Yeah, man. I found I've tried YOLOing stuff too, and it's never worked out. It seems like I always YOLO at the very last, the wrong spot,
Yeah.
And it's man, even like
Well,
today
that's what
though.
I
Today
tell
with
myself.
today's news, I got a little bit excited. I was like, maybe we'll try. Maybe we'll try. And then it was like a nothing burger. The news came out and the candle popped like 20 points, and I was like, all right, I guess I'm out.
Yeah, you could have
Ooh.
jumped on here today and say, "Hey guys, I passed without y'all this morning."
I passed them all. Passed every single stinking one. Now we're thinking longs, boys. This is looking pretty good for a long, huh?
Yeah.
This is a 10-10 candle, though. It's a brand new 5-minute push.
Yeah. I mean, I kind of wish I would have got long right off the top of the 15-minute orb.
Mm-hmm.
This is where I always kick myself for not taking the trade.
VIX is coming down
Could
to
have had a nice little
yeah.
1-to-1 there.
Kind of a ugly wick there, though. Stair step into 25,220, says Zero Dawn. That's all I needed. I'm in long.
Order filled.
Okay, so what I'm looking for now to join you guys
I don't like
is
that
for
it
this
broke
candle
that.
to wick, and then to close, get a green, get a candle to close where these two wicks are. Like just to show that it's eating up the wicks.
Yeah. Yeah, my timing was poor. We should have waited.
You were just telling us you get in at the wrong times.
I know. Why to prove it?
That you YOLO at the.
He just doesn't want to be left behind.
I know, man. Always last to gym class.
Always the bridesmaid.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to try something here. I'm going to put in a sell order right here at 2130. But then if we close up here like 2160, I'll take a long.
Well, that's making me pretty nervous about my position, if I'm being honest.
This is just for entertainment purposes.
Yep. We are not financial advisors, guys, but please click that like and subscribe button. Click the notifications.
Hell yeah. Oh, son of a gun, guys. Son of a gun. What time is it? 10:13. Let's see. Can we get a little strength?
I mean, let's see. Oh, here we go.
Oh,
Up, more wicks.
just Wick City. I got in along at 929 at 980, says Zero Dawn. Dang, man. Huge.
All right. I'm going to go the other way.
Order filled.
All right. Well, I got out of one of mine at just break even because I got nervous.
Order filled.
Ooh. Somebody joined the party with me.
It was me.
Nice. Though again, don't like that there's no stinking wick. I'm all about those wicks. There we go. Now we got that wick. So what is your target then? What are you targeting, sir?
I got my take profit up at 220.
Damn.
But
All right.
I'd be happy if we get to 200.
Yeah. Let's go up.
Again,
Let's
this
go
is
up.
a good old
Let's go up.
retrace, bouncing off the top of the 15-minute orb. Got some nice little consolidation.
Nice.
Hope it just keeps on going.
Come on. Here's our 5-minute push. Last 20-second push. There we go. EMAs are curling up real nice. 5 seconds left.
Zero Dawn was in at 929 and 980 when the EMAs crossed. I don't even know if I was up at 929.
Yeah, man. How was the morning with the horses and everything? It was all good.
Oh, not bad at all. Not bad at all.
Stop filled.
Ah, shit. Got stopped out to potentially re-enter. I like how the EMA is separating. It's curling up now. This is just always my issue of not holding things when they actually start to go my way. But because I sat in that drawdown, I get all nervous.
Process over profit.
Yep.
But I'm going to be changing my mind about that if this thing hits my stop loss. But I like the long here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean the 160 is holding real nice. I mean that's where we sold on the short while ago, right? Now it's making a nice little support area.
Yeah.
And then you have a little more support at 145, so it's got to break below. It's got to break below this 150 right here with the EMA crossover. Yeah.
Uh-oh. All right. This is not good.
DCA and drop that stop a little.
Oh, nah. We'll just hold it. We'll hold it. We'll see. Call an ambulance, but not
Call an
for you.
ambulance.
Oh, this isn't good.
No, it's showing a lot of down pressure right here. I mean, we got the 9 at 127 and we got our box at 125, so
We have 1 second left on this candle, though.
there's a little bit of saving grace, but
Stop filled.
Shit, so close, man. So stinking close, though.
Oh, I mean, who knows? We might keep rolling up.
I know, that's always the worst thing, too. I always hate when I get stopped out, and then a second later, it's like, whoop! And I'm like, fuck you. Gonna throw my computer in the lake. Alright, so VIX popped up a little bit. ES came down. Qs came down. People are trying to find support here. Oh, Jesus, look at that spike. Yep. Yeah, sorry, man. I got completely distracted. I don't even know if you answered my question or not, Cowboy. But yeah, how was the? It was good. You threw the bales onto the trailers and everything like that. You're able to huck it off. And do the horses come racing?
yeah, no big deal. I mean those things are so. I mean they're more aggressive when you take them food than if you're going to try to ride them. So.
Oh really?
If you can walk out there with a trash bag and they think you're bringing them sweet treats. So
Yeah, and they'll just mob you.
Tackle you trying to get to them. So.
That's
so
how my
funny,
dogs
man.
are, man. If I open the plastic bag, they think it's for them.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Let's see if this 25,000 holds.
Yep. Came down to 25 ones, popping back up to the 45 here. But at this point, I agree. You think we need like a 25,000, I don't know, 100 retest, which I guess we kind of had, 104. That's pretty good.
Chop Trader says, "Good morning, all. Welcome, Mark. Good to see you, Chop Trader."
Hey, Chop Trader. Zero Dawn got stopped at 140, son of a bitch. Yeah, man, I held that thing tight. I got stopped out in profit for like $3, I think, and that was it. We were up on this account. We're up $33 now. On my other one, I think I'm up 180 though. Oh wait, hold on. How many accounts did I trade today? So I'm up 170 on one account. I'm up 26 on this account, which I didn't even remember trading it. And then I'm up 33 on this account. Getting a couple breadcrumbs. Ooh, Green Day number 6? Are we gonna have Green Day number 6, gang?
Oh shoot. We're gonna have to. So we also need to have a little running consecutive scoreboard of Greg's longest trade ever
Yeah.
and most consistent green days.
Right. Right. Could you imagine people start freaking out? They're like, "Oh my god, he's held it for 33 minutes so far." But I guess it would
Well,
have
we
to be
could come on and say, I could say, I'm trading cowboy, and this is my first green day, and I can hold it up, and then the next day, this is trading cowboy, and this is my first green day.
Right.
Oh man, so we're right at this VWAP.
Yeah, it came down to VWAP. We're the 25 nines. Nvidia's coming down. VIX still hasn't filled that gap, so maybe VIX wants to go up to that gap, but they're right at the tippity top now.
I mean, we need to see this. We need to start seeing some strength before I switch to shorts.
Yeah.
Because if we don't get any bounces,
Well,
I'm
it's
gonna start looking for shorts.
it's almost like a deformed head and shoulders as well.
A
You know.
Quasimodo.
Just want to it swam in Lake Apopka. Oh, you guys don't even know about Lake Apopka. Lake Apopka here is the citrus farmers for like 100 years dumped all of their citrus waste, like all their chemical products and everything else, into Lake Apopka. And now you have like alligators with 3 heads, and frogs with 10 eyes, and all this crazy shit. Nobody's allowed in there. They have this a flesh-eating parasite that is in there.
Oh no!
Yeah. Which it's a very shallow lake too. Most of it's only like 2 to 3 feet deep, even though it's massive. It's a huge effing lake, but most of it's only 2 to 3 feet deep. Some of it's only like 6 inches deep. The deepest part's probably 5 feet. So the water temperature is just so warm. So it's just perfect conditions for all the blooms and nasty shit. Here's a 200 bounce right here at the 2580s. Are we interested in a 200 bounce, guys? Anybody?
No.
I mean, it just keeps pushing down.
They both
Probably
go
not
no.
interested really until 60, maybe.
Yeah.
It's just look at all those red candles. Look at 1018, 1017. Then the 1019 candle just ate everything up.
Yeah.
So what you have is this 1014 lower high, which tells you, hey, we can start going short, and then you had these 2 candles with these wicks get eaten up by the 1019 candle.
And then just
Time to
friggin'
start looking short.
and then just sledge off the cliff. So right now, I guess we might have a little support right here. Oh, there you go. So VIX, hold on. VIX officially. Did VIX just close his gap with that push? Oh, motherfucker. I hate it when it does that. I hate it when I click on the screen and it accidentally drags the indicator into the wrong spot, like into its own box, and then it screws everything up.
I mean, but we do kind of have a double bottom on the 5-minute chart. So we'll see how this 5-minute closes.
Now that my charts are all stupid.
But we're below the 21 EMA. We're the 9 EMA. I mean, the 21 and 9 have crossed, so
Technically, it looks like the VIX still has another 10 cents to go. 10 cents to go to fill its gap. What time is it? 10:23. So our low of the day, 24,962. What stinks too is I wanted to get that short a long time ago, which not that I would fucking held it this long anyway, so it doesn't matter.
oh, you should have got in now.
Man, look at that short. 25,045. ES just made a session low, morning session low. NQ looks like it wants to follow. Ooh, Cowboys targeting the long skis. I like it.
Nothing serious, guys, so don't.
Man, I come
Don't
on this
follow
trade and find out that I just trade opposite of trading cowboy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, 100%.
He's looking longs, I'm looking shorts.
Yeah, not to say like acquired taste, but yeah, man, completely same thing with me as well. I traded the complete opposite of cowboy, and then I found
But
that
it's
actually
okay. I mean, both people can be right.
right, oh, 100%, right.
And we
But then
can both be
actually,
wrong.
I found that his style kind of resonated with me, so I've been trying to transition over and learn it here. Man, look at that VIX pop.
Yeah, looking for the bottom of this 15-minute orb. Or just maybe we'll hold up, bounce off to 25,000.
Mm-hmm. Getting a little bounce here. Bounce when she walk. Bounce, bounce when she walk. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. What time is it? 10:25. Here is our new 5-minute candle. Yeah, I mean, if it loses this, I kind of agree. It's going to come down to the 25,000 and wick the 989s.
All right, let's see. I would like to get one little doji candle or green candle, and then short the bottom of it.
I would like it to come up to the 9 before that happens.
All right, here we go.
Order filled.
Start. Oh, this is not.
Oh, you guys are selling each other's contracts.
Oh, not looking good. Bad idea.
I mean, it's still pretty weak, Mark, honestly. So, I mean, we should have already gotten that pop.
Got 2 wicks. Let's get a nice hammer candle. Down.
Yipes.
All right, here we go.
Shoot.
Oh, reverse. Nope, no, not that way. Touch that 25,000, go through it. Uh-oh. If I was Greg, would I DCA?
100%.
If you were Greg,
Yo, if you were
that's
Greg,
a bad question to ask.
right?
WWGD.
I mean, you could. You would have been happy if you did.
Oh, look, we're doing pretty good. We're down at this 25,000. Just if it bounces off of this, I'm closing the trade.
I kind of need it to bounce off this now. Let's see. Q's might be finding support here at the 200. How does ES look? Is there any potential for ES to find support here? Not really. Actually, yeah, I haven't DCA'd this one at all. I've just been riding it. I'm down 40 points on it.
Oh, come on, stop bouncing off this 25,000. Okay, we're gonna.
What time is it? 10:28.
Miguel, hi guys, how's it going? Hi Marco.
Hey, Miguel.
Good to see you, Miguel.
Good morning, Miguel. All right, we keep bouncing off this 25,000. I should have just put my take profit there. Here we go.
I mean, if I'm being totally honest, I think we got to come back to the 986, 985 area, but
Oh no. Yeah, I know. I've held this for way too long now. Oh well.
Order filled.
Oh, as soon as I close it, it goes down.
Still, Mark. Beautiful trade,
Ah,
man. Beautiful
it wasn't-
trade. Good call
I
out.
mean, I
Good
didn't risk
setup.
enough there.
Good
I
trade.
made maybe $100.
Good trade, bud.
Order filled.
See if I can't get out of mine a little bit here.
Dang. Oh, $24.99, not bad.
Nice, man.
It's nice letting your trades hit the take profit, though.
Right, dude. Yeah, it
hands
is.
off
I
to
know.
set it.
Cowboy was talking about that to me yesterday, too. He's like, that felt good, didn't it? I was like, well, we don't get that feeling too often. It did. Felt good.
I think we got to get through maybe down to 950.
Yeah, at this point, yeah, I know it's not looking the best, but rejection off the top of the 15-minute orb short. Says Zero Dawn. Well, I'm gonna follow the stop on that add-in. Yipes, she is getting quite dancy here at 10:30. Quite stinking dancy.
Yeah, the 10:30 always has surprises.
Ah, darn it.
I knew it.
Cowboy still DCAing with the best of them. Ooh, I mean, technically we did just finally give a wick on Q's. Here we go. We just took out our overnight lows.
Order
Oh,
filled.
shoot, Cowboy, you're out. Ah, shit. Man,
Oh,
I just
it
added
stopped.
more.
I stopped right there at the low, right there at the 74s.
Shit. I should probably get myself stopped out, and I'm still holding it like an idiot.
Oh, we didn't take out the high of the previous day. Did we earlier? No. We're right at a pivot point.
Yeah,
We
that's
might
the only thing that has me holding on is we're literally right at the pivot point right now. But if she keeps
Order
falling,
filled.
it's gonna suck.
Well, I mean, if you went long at 25,000, I imagine you'd be thinking about going long at 950.
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm just saying.
Oh, I don't like Q's completely lost its support there though. Yeah, I gotta get out of this. This is getting too silly. 940s. Is there any relief points? Any relief points at all? I mean, not really. We just broke through that. Fuck.
I mean, it pushed right through our pivot point, 948.
Yeah, I gotta get out. Shoot.
Yeah, I might be heading towards yesterday's 15-minute or below. I just would like to see
Come
a
on.
bear flag.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Little higher, please.
All the DCA.
Yep.
Right back to our pivot point.
Push through. Come on. Yeah, if we could get a wick somewhere,
I just need a wick back to the 9 right now so I can get out of this stinking trade.
yeah, that would be great. That would tell me to keep going short.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on.
All right,
Good.
get to 980.
Take one off there anyways.
There we go. Here we go. Let it go.
Stop filled.
Let it roll.
You talking to me, Mark? You say,
Yeah,
yeah, let it go up? Let's see.
yeah, yeah. Did you buy another one?
I did. I already got out of 2 of them now. Come on. Let's see a 25,000 push. Son of a gun.
This is looking good for a reversal at the moment. You know, the 15 minutes putting on a real nice wick, but has another 10 minutes. And then if you look at the 15-minute chart, you've got a lot of support down there
Yeah.
at 980, you know, kind of around the 980s.
Come on, you devil. mean, yeah, I guess these aren't bad candles. I just hate that we sold off so much beforehand. But I guess this is what might help it pop up a little.
Right, right.
Come on, you stinking
Oh,
thing.
no, 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 wrong way. Man, it's looking like, we found some resistance right up at that 80 at the moment.
Yeah, we'll let it get stopped up and profit, I guess. What time is it? 30 seconds left. Yeah. All right, reset, gang. Darn it, we're down on this account now. We're down 83 bucks.
Oh no.
83 bucks. That's all right. I went rogue on that trade anyways. Man. All right. Let's get to the next one, gang. Let's get a big old trade. We got 25 minutes left. 25 minutes, and I got to leave at 11 for my haircut. We got
I
to
would
get one.
really like a short here if we get a reaction down now that we've taken out that 980 level.
Yeah.
But again, like I said on the 15-minute chart, this is looking bullish
As I
at
just,
the moment.
I know, I literally just, I got out at the 60s for it to finally push up here to the 25,000s on the very next candle. Yeah, Charles, you got clapped, man. I remember you were in at like what, 25, 100 maybe. Which that's basically what I just did too. I just rolled it down like 70 points. All right, no bottom wick. Let's see. Shoot, man. Should have hailed, should have hailed, should have hailed, should have hailed.
Man, this is looking bullish at the moment.
Yeah. VIX has a long way to fall now. Boo, 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 boo. Might come back up to the 200, the 25,067s now.
Might have a little indecision. I'm waiting to see what we got here before I just to go long or short.
Well, and again, my favorite is no bottom wick at 982. No bottom wick.
All right, I'll be back. I have to run to the bathroom.
Yeah, yeah. Darn it, man. I wish I had held that a little better.
And kind of the same thing we talked about yesterday, right? You held, you were nervous, it came back, you're working your way, and then you made some. So, but yeah, you just exit, and then that was the turnaround, that was the reversal.
Well, I know it, man. You're right. So that's what always happens. I get you too much drawdown, then I'll see a little bit of green, and then once that green starts dissipating back to red, I'm thinking like I must have been wrong. I must have been wrong. Yeah. We got to get out of this thing. Shoot, man, look at that. Now that's up 100 points from the bottom.
Yeah, crazy.
Shit. Give me all sorts of FOMO. Yeah, VIX has a long way to fall now. Still going, man. Still going. Are we considering shorting this at some point?
I don't know. I mean, it's pretty strong right now. I mean, I think we're going to kind of wonder if we're going to come up to the 73, kind of to the little VWAP right there. But
Uh-huh. Look at this push, man.
yeah.
Man, I should have taken a long and walked away.
Look at that push.
Yeah.
Man, I should have got in at 10:30 at 10:38, right when the 10:37 candle closed.
Yeah.
That's our pivot point and the 21 right there on a 1 hour. Rejected off the 50, the 9, the 21 on a 5 minute.
And the 200.
Right. See what it does if it can make it up to this VWAP. But if you look at this from 9:30 on, I mean, we're looking a little like we could be in a range. I mean, anything could happen. We could go anyway. We could continue going up.
Yeah.
We could reverse here, make like a 2 or 5 minute bear flag and keep going down. It's anything could happen.
Yep.
Because if you look at that 5 minute chart, looks pretty strong for a reversal.
Right. For a reversal back down for a short, right?
Up.
Oh, up
Up.
now. Up. Yeah.
Even the 15 minute, like if you look at that 15 minute
42.
with 2 minutes left, and we got this huge bottom wick.
Oh, I want a short.
Well,
Order filled.
I mean, on the 15, we got a super bullish candle. We got 2 minutes left on it almost.
get
I mean,
those
all the only
DCA
thing-
fingers ready.
Order filled.
I mean, I think we could get a little pullback,
I
maybe
was just
below 40
man,
for a
purely for
minute.
that no wick on the 5, man. This is now my move. If I see no wick on a 5, I'm taking it every single time. You know. Not that I made the most amount of money off that, but still, I still think it's viable for the. I think you can still
So
short.
Greg,
So there you go.
if you're gonna do that,
Fuck, man, I gotta hold it.
why don't you hold it until it makes a wick?
I don't, because I get so nervous because that's what I thought last time, and then it didn't freaking do it. Not that it doesn't do it. It's sometimes it takes too long to do it, and then I'm stuck in too much drawdown. But son of a bitch, man, look at that. Beautiful short.
I mean,
now.
I literally just said it's got to come down below the 40 to the 33.
Beautiful short now. Oh. All right, I got to be about it a little bit better. You still made 40 bucks on it.
I'm
though.
here as a voice of reason.
Yeah, man.
That's what I'm trying to be.
Well, especially, I mean, again, you got that, the engineer mindset. So you're a lot more. You're very analytical, right?
I bet you I would be a better trader though if I was trading somebody else's money. I know it because I don't care about losing.
Shoot, man. Oh, beautiful short. Didn't friggin' hold it. But now, of course, the reverse is true too. This, 10-20 candle just has the tiniest little nubby on the top of it. So pretty positive we're coming back to, 126 at some point sooner than later. So maybe now's the time for us to go long.
This is one of these
I mean, I'd like to
situations-
see a little inversion here. I'd like to see it come back to like 25.010.
Yeah.
and then start kind of pushing up. But we're getting that little inversion right now, kind of.
And
Our
Yeah.
EMAs are crossing back over.
Yep, EMAs are crossing.
This is one of these situations where, depending on what you're looking at, you see a bear flag or a bull flag,
Yeah, you can see it all different. You can see what you want to see.
whichever way you want to go.
Yeah. I gotta imagine though, so Nvidia still hadn't filled its gap yet. You'd think that this is going to be the push. This is either going to be a triple top on Nvidia, or it's going to push through and fill the gap, which will help us all out.
Order filled.
We're gonna try the long. Just a
I
little
want
guy.
to try it long. I want to see how this candle closes, and I don't want to risk 45 points. Here we go. No,
Order filled.
Ooh.
we'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure about it.
I mean, I agree. It is forming a little bit of a bear flag on the 1 minute, but
It's we'll see. We got 30 more seconds in this candle.
nice. Well, going back to my other theory, I mean, here we go. I don't really like 1037 doesn't have a wick on it for the 1 minute, so that's not looking great.
Zero Dawn said the market's kicking everyone right in the crotch.
It's a tumultuous one, man. It's giving you some hints this way, hints that way.
Let's see if we can take out this wick.
Come on, baby. Let's break the
It
200.
is torturous. This is.
Hopefully we can break the 200 this time.
Oh, and we're going right into the VWAP here.
Yeah, but Nvidia finally broke its range and is going to that gap fill. VIX is about to lose its support. I think we're going to get a pretty good pop.
All right, Greg, I'll
Order filled.
keep holding this trade.
In fact, I just added in. Look at that.
Oh, let's go.
Greg,
Let's
throw
go.
your mouse across the room.
I know, just fucking hug it now. Just walk
Let's go
away.
walk.
Just walk away. Oh, come
Look at
on.
that wick.
There
Come
we go.
on.
There we go.
Uh-oh,
Let's
is that a bad
go.
wick now? Do we not like that wick?
How much did I get on this one?
Stop filled.
Huh.
I got 30 points on 3 accounts.
Hell
That's not
yeah.
bad.
Nice.
That's
like
not
what?
bad.
That's like what, 180?
That's not bad. We're back to
that
only
was-
down 11 on this account, which I'm still up 100 and whatever on the other account. So fuck you guys. We're still green. But yeah, I got to
Look at
leave in
that.
12
I'm gonna
minutes,
have
guys.
I'm gonna have to go back over this and make shorts of my winning trades.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I know it's fun, right? I think it's cool having this opportunity too that, you know, if you're a subscriber and you want to jump in and do a stream with us, please let us know. Because at the end of the day, you'll have, you know, a full length, you know, YouTube and everything else to show your buddies and pals, and it's kind of cool.
Yeah, and I mean, again, every single trade I've taken, I've had solid reasoning on. You
Yeah.
know, I got in there, and then I put it right at the VWAP, and my
Yep.
take profit at the VWAP, and it hit.
Yeah, I should have put one of my profits at VWAP. I ended up just following it with stops really quick, but I definitely left some on the table there. So Nvidia filled its gap. Did it fill its gap? Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, Nvidia's gap is filled, so potentially gives us a reason to go down now.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know, we got
Nvidia's
this
just
big.
pumping right now on a 1 hour. Even the 5's pushing hard, filling its gap, push past the gap.
So we got this big rundown, and now we got this consolidation. I mean, this could be a short.
Mm-hmm. Stalling out at the 200. The only thing is the EMAs are curling up real nice, though, with a nice degree of separation. The 9's about to go above the 45.
Yeah, yeah.
VIX
mean-
is plummeting. I think we're going to keep pushing.
Yeah, yeah, because had I gotten short, I'd be really nervous right now.
Yeah.
Because my stop would have been up at the 80s, and I'd be nervous.
Yep. How much time
And
do we
that's-
got left? We got 5 seconds left on this 1050 candle. Here's
Look,
a
so all
brand
the
new.
shorts just got stopped.
Coming back to the 200.
And this is the hardest thing about trading. Training is because sometimes if you just wait, you get the setup that you wanted all along.
Right. Well, and that's kind of my, not to say the art of the DCA, but that's kind of that's kind of been my art of the DCA lately. Is I do a FOMO first entry, I do a almost reasonable second entry, and then I like triple down on the entry I was supposed to actually wait for, and that's how it's been kind of working out, which obviously is not very not like the correct, the healthy way.
And then he gets out too early.
And then I get out too early. Man, so again, pushing real well right now. Ooh, giving me all sorts of FOMO.
I mean, right here at the 81 is the real VWAP. The 200's at 88.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of good
I
support.
mean, NVIDIA's pushing real strong. That's the only thing that's kind of kept us kind of pumping right here is NVIDIA.
And we're right kind of at the middle of the range for the day. We're kind of right there at the 50%.
And
And it's the day before NFP, so
yeah,
who knows if we're done with movement and it's just going to,
stall out a little.
yeah, just be within the 15-minute orb for a while. But we've had the market's given us nice setups though.
Man, that is kind of crazy when you look at your chart versus my chart. Like people pop onto the stream all the time. They're like, "Holy indicators!" But like when you literally look at mine compared to yours, it really is like, "Holy shit, man! How do you read anything on there?" You know?
I
That's
mean,
pretty funny.
one, I'm also looking at different screens.
Oh
But
yeah,
then two
right,
is I don't want stuff that doesn't tell me anything on my chart.
right. They give you
Because I mostly look at the candles anyways.
Uh-huh.
I use these indicators just to kind of give me some context.
Yeah.
Because if I want to go long, seeing it bounce off the 9 EMA says, look, that might be a good signal.
Yeah. It's a happy little bounce. It's a happy little bounce right there.
But for the 1 minute, I don't think the 200 moving average means anything.
Really?
And on the 5 minute, I believe that it does mean stuff.
Ah.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's all I look at is the 5 on the 200.
No way, guys. Now you're telling
Same with
me.
the 50 EMA is just the 5.
Well, the 200 moving average on the 5 minute very often mirrors the VWAP, the daily VWAP.
Now you friggin' guys
Yep.
tell me. All right, I'm changing my indicator up here. Let's see. Putting another 30 indicators on for you guys because you're insisting.
And Zero Dawn agrees. Look at that. Two
Nice.
geniuses.
Nice.
Same room.
See? The Collective, guys. The Collective, which is the name of the Discord. I friggin' love that. That's so
Oh,
cool.
awesome.
Which, yeah, we got to push that out sooner than later, too. I mean, I need you guys to kind of look at it first before we really have it go live. But
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
which, actually, let me do that right now. Let me send it to you. Because there's only a couple people watching us right now anyways. Let's see. Where's my Discord? Where the Discord at? And again, guys, keep in mind I unfortunately have to leave in 5 minutes, as lovely as it has been.
That was the dip I was wanting a while ago, was right to the 163s. I had it set on my chart, but I wanted it a while ago, not right now. I don't know.
Now it's making me nervous.
I
Hold on,
mean,
guys.
we've had some nice setups. I'm satisfied sitting on my hands, but I still might have one or two trades in me.
Yeah, that's the only thing, man. As always, I'm like, one more.
But here's the thing.
More.
You're looking at this and you're like, this could be a nice bear flag. It could be a nice bull flag.
Right. It's non-directional, and that's why I agree with you, man. That's why I always say it too. I always literally say I shouldn't make this last trade because it's always going to be a bad one, and I always force it at some damn random dumb place, you know. All right, let's see. Come on, invite to server. Can I just copy it or send a server invite link to a friend? Hidden. Use copy. Copied button. Paste button. Hey, there we go. Check out our Discord, gang.
All right.
Which right now,
So-
again, like this is never made a Discord ever. Hardly know what a Discord is. And I think we have way too much in here, maybe. There might be too much in there. But that'll be a later discussion, you know, because we got to leave in 4 minutes. So
I might be shorting here.
Ooh. Ooh.
Only because this 1054 candle
Yeah.
took out all the highs of everything,
Yeah.
and then we had a big reaction down. But the thing that's stopping me is because I look at, I need a custom time here. Let's do 2 minutes. Is the 2 minute, this 2 minute candle hasn't closed to see if the body actually eats up the candle signaling a short.
Yeah. I mean, it is pushing halfway right now. This is kind of like the opposite of Cowboy's move. You know, if we were going down and then we got this big old green candle and then the second green candle wicked half.
And here's the other thing. If I get in this trade, my stop has to be like 50 points.
Yeah.
I'm up 303 on this eval account. Why do I want to risk 300? Why do I want to risk all of
The
that?
entire day. You're risking the entire day. Yeah. Smart. Smart. Well, damn. Minute and a half.
But here we go. We'll just, and we're almost to 11. Let's see what happens if we get a reaction back down. All right, I'll just leave an order there.
And see if it pushes through.
Yeah. And then I'll put my stop at like 75. If it gets, if I get tagged in.
Man, I don't want to fade you, but
Well,
This
I'm
is-
not even in. I'm canceling this order.
all right. Because I'm going to do my last trade right here.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get some stops in and shit.
Yeah, let's go. Let's hit this 100.
There we go. That was it. Woo! 7th green day in a row.
Let's go.
Is it 6 or 7? 7. So, I mean, this is a small amount. So, $17 on that account. $26 on that account. Hold on, guys. And then 171. Yay! $200 day. We
Man,
did it.
when you're on a winning streak, you feel like you can win in anything.
Dude, I know it, man. Which isn't necessarily a good thing, though, because some of the trades that like I put on even today, or I hold them a little bit longer because I'm like, we're gonna be right. we're gonna be right. I'm like, we're not right, Greg. We're still not right. Like that one trade I held for a 70-point loss today, DCAing on the way down. That's what really killed that account. Well, not killed the account, but the reason that we're only up $17 instead of being up something reasonable.
Mm-hmm. Well, you should have stayed in.
I know, motherfucker. That's
But
my
then,
thing. Like
when
literally,
you're in a losing streak, like you'll be stuck in traffic and you'll be like, why did I even take this way?
oh, I know it. Yeah, dude, I was saying that the other day, man. I was so pissed off. I was like, all I'm doing is losing here. I literally said that joke, man. I freaking got in the highway, and every lane I was choosing was the wrong one. I was fucking almost rolled it into a tree, you know?
But I mean, I think that's why, trying to find the right mindset is so important, because if your focus gets off,
Oh, yeah.
like you won't even notice it, and then you'll be doing everything wrong or making all the wrong decisions.
Oh, yeah, man.
It's
Dude,
and
I'm so
nobody
glad.
can tell you.
Like how far I've came from 6 months ago, where I literally got into that habit where I was doing maybe like 200 or 300 trades like a session,
Oh my
and it would just be
goodness.
like one micro, and you would just be firing off that micro, boom, 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 and then literally at the end of the day, I would be down, maybe like $30, or I'd be up $30, but then I'd actually be down like $800 because it was $750 worth of fees, because it was just like, oh God.
Oh man.
All right, gang. Well, it was literally absolute pleasure, man. Marco, thank you so much for
Thanks,
hanging
man,
out
so
with
much.
us, for joining us
Yeah,
today.
thanks for having me.
Heck yeah, I really feel bad. I gotta call it quits here because I do gotta get my haircut. It's been 2 weeks, or 2 haircut things that I've missed here, so about to
Well,
come
it's
back
okay. I
looking
mean, I gotta take care of my car.
yeah, dude, I know. How
Yeah.
frustrating. Dude, if you need anything, though, obviously don't hesitate that I'm here. If you need, a jack, if you need tools, if you need anything that's like a pain in the butt for you to go buy or borrow or whatever
Well,
else.
no, I mean,
don't
I'm just
hesitate.
gonna get somebody to fix it here. I mean,
Yeah.
it's because if it's just a battery, yeah, that would be fine. But I looked at where the alternator is on this Hyundai Santa Fe,
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna let the pros.
Dude, I did that the other day too on my
Yeah.
wife's SUV. Just had a coil pack go bad, and I've replaced them before, so I'm like, yeah, just order the part, I'll do it, it'll take me like 45 minutes, it'll suck. And then I popped the hood and I realized it was like the 6th one that was like underneath all the cowling and everything, and I did a quick little video. I was like, how do you take this off? And it was literally like 4.5 hours of you have to disassemble the cowling, the head, the this and that just to get to that back right one.
Man, that's the worst.
Yeah, man. So I was
It's
like,
just,
done.
I mean, a lot of times, I had this 2006 Honda Pilot, and if I had the right tools, you could basically fix anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sick, man. All right, gang. I love you to death. Please like and subscribe the Trading Cowboy as well. I'm sure he'll be back on sooner than later. Marco, again, thank you so much, man. I'm sure we're going to connect again sometime
Yeah, let's
early
do it again
next
real soon.
week as well.
All right, sounds good. See you guys.
Yeah, but yeah,
thanks,
check out
guys.
the Discord too. Let me know kind of your thoughts on, do we have too much stuff in there? Should we put other stuff in there? Should we blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
Just curious everybody's thoughts.
All right.
Sweet.
Have
Thanks,
a great
guys.
See how
day.
y'all guys
Good
shortly.
haircut.
Love you.